So good morning to all. Welcome to Veterinary Neet Gateway 2024 Neet Physics paper discussion. Welcome to all. Let's see. First question. In a vernier calipers, n plus 1 divisions of vernier scale coincide with n divisions of main scale. They given. Here n plus 1 vernier scale divisions is equal to n main scale divisions. So we need 1 VSD is equal to what we have, n by n plus 1 MSD. So here what they ask, if 1 MSD represents 0.1 millimeter, the vernier constant in centimeter is, vernier constant means least count of vernier calipers. Now LC is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, that equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD is how much? N by n plus 1 MSD. Here we take n plus 1 LCM. What we get here? N plus 1, n cancel. What we get? 1 MSD. That is equal to what they given 1 MSD? 0.1 millimeter. That is 0.1 into 10 power minus 3 by n plus 1. Now what to get? So it comes to denominator, what to get? 1 by 100 into n plus 1 centimeters. So which option is the correct? Option number 2 is the correct. Next, second question. If the monochromatic source in Young's double slit experiment is replaced by white light, then see whatever we have, it is the central maxima and it is white light. This surrounding this, a few colored fringes can be formed. So which option we have? There will be a central bright white fringe surrounded by a few colored fringes. So around this central maxima white fringe, we have few colored fringes can be formed. Option number 3. Next, third question. So it is a very simple. They given the output y. Here A, B, Y. Say A into B. First A into B. 0 into 0, 0 plus A bar, 1 we get. Here 0 into 1. So not matches. So let's see here B is 0. Its negation is 1. 1, 0. Again 0, 1, 1, 0. That means output y is nothing but B bar. Here 0, 1. So 1 negation is 0. 0 negation is 1. 1 negation is 0. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Next, question number 4. They ask terminal voltage. So what is the formula for terminal voltage? V is equal to E minus IR. So E given 10 volt, it is a capital R, it is small r. What is we need current. I is equal to what is formula? E by capital R plus small r. That equal to 10 by, it is series 4 plus 1, 5. That equal to 2 ampere we get. Now terminal voltage V is equal to E is 10 minus 2 into 1. small r is 1. That equal to 8 volts. So which option is correct? Third option is correct. Next, move on to next question. Question number 5. Here, a uniform magnetic field. They given uniform magnetic field. So it is the magnet North Pole and South Pole, North Pole and South Pole. Now, magnetic needle performs 20 complete oscillations in 5 seconds. So 20 complete oscillations per second means what? Time period. T is equal to 20 by 5, that equal to 4 seconds. Time period we get. And they are given the moment of inertia of the needle and something they are given magnetic moment x into 10 power minus 5 ampere meter square. We need x value they ask. What is the formula for time period? T is equal to 2 pi root I by mb. We need m. So squaring on both sides and send m there and t square here. What is m is equal to, it is 4 5 square I by comes to denominator t squared b. Now, so in options they given in all options of pi square. So don't disturb this pi square. Then 4 pi square into what they given 9 point I value 9.8 into 10 power minus 6 by t squared is 416 into b is given how much? 0.049 Tesla. 0.049 they given. So you have to calculate this value. You get 1280 pi square. So calculate it. You get this value is a x value. Here 10 power minus 5 we get. So x value is 1280 pi square we get. Question number 6. A wire of length L given and resistance 100 ohm is divided into 10 equal parts. Okay, that means each resistance is how much? R is equal to 10 ohms. 10 parts, 10, 100 by 10. The first 5 parts are connected in series, while first 5 parts are connected in series, while the next 5 parts are parallel. First, RS is equal to, what the formula? NR, that equal to 5 into 10, that equal to 50 ohms. It is series. Again, parallel. In parallel identical resistance, what is formula? R by N. R by N. R is how much? 10 ohms by 5, that equal to 2 ohms. This combination again connected in series. These two are connected in series. It is 50 ohm, it is 2 ohm. What you get finally? Series connection. 50 plus 2, 52 ohms. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. Let's move on to next question. Okay, question number 7. We have the given one system. So A is a 2 kg and B is a 3 kg. They ask what is a frictionless surface. The force exerted by black A on black B. So here force. So we take this force is F. Here first we have to find out what is the acceleration. So force is on A. Now acceleration also this direction. Now acceleration, we know from Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. From this A is equal to what? F by m. Here net force is 10 Newton by mass. Total mass we have to take. So 2 plus 3, 5. We get 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 meter per second squared is the acceleration. Now what is the force here? F is equal to, so force exerted by black A on black B. So that we have to take this mass MB into A. acceleration. mp is how much? 3 kg into 2 meter per second square. That equal to 6 Newton, which is third option is correct. And next question. A tightly wound 100 tons coil of radius 10 centimeter carries a current of 7 ampere. What given here? N value given, and they given radius given and current given. The magnitude of the magnetic field at the center of the coil is, take permeability they given 4 into 10 power minus 7. Okay, SI units. And what is the magnetic field? Magnetic field at center BC is equal to what is it? Mu naught Ni by 2R. Mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into 100 into I is 7 by 2 into 10 centimeter given radius, 10 into 10 power minus 2. 10 into 10 power minus 2. Now, so you have to write this one 3.14 or 22 by 7, whatever it, 7 get cancelled, 22. Here we have 4 1s there. So 44 we get 44. Okay. Here 10 power minus 2 minus 5, 2 minus 3. So millitesla we have. Third option is correct. Let us see next question. Question number 9. So very simple it is. They given tens ratio, they ask Vs by Vp. We know Vs by Vp is equal to Ns by Np. Both are directly proportional. Here Np by Ns given. That means what reverse? 2 by 1. 2:1 is the correct answer. So second option we have 2:1. Next question. Question number 10. They given here graph shows variation of 1 by lambda square and its kinetic energy. What is the formula we have in the dual nature of radiation? What we have? Lambda, de Broglie wavelength, lambda equal to h by root 2me. E is the kinetic energy. Now squaring on both sides, lambda square is equal to h square by 2me. Here this value is constant. Then they ask 1 by lambda square is proportional to what? E. So here they varies linearly. So 1 by lambda square E graph, what we get? A straight line which is passing through the origin. Next question number 11. Given below are two statements. So first, atoms are electrically neutral as they contain equal number of positive charge and negative charge. Okay, exactly correct. So atom is always neutral and the number of electrons is equal to number of protons. They given equal number of positive charge and negative charge. So absolutely it is correct. Statement 2. Atoms of each element are stable. So atoms not stable and neutral and emit their characteristic spectrum. So they given this is a wrong statement. Which one is correct? Statement 1 is correct and but statement 2 is incorrect. So third option is correct. Next question number. A bob is drilled in a horizontal plane. So like this we drilling, not this is vertical circular motion. So this is, for example, we have take this. So it is horizontal. Means of string with initial speed of omega rpm, revolution per minute. The tension in the string is T. Okay. So tension in the string is T. For example, it is. So it is circular motion. So omega and time period is t given. Tension in the sting is t. Speed becomes 2 omega. Now speed is 2 omega. Omega dash is equal to 2 omega now, whatever it. Next, keeping the same radius same, and the tension in the string becomes. So nothing but you have it provides centripetal force. So T is equal to Fc. Now T is equal to, we know, mv square by r. mv square by r. Then m into, it is r omega. r squared omega squared by r. So r get cancelled, we get m r omega square t equal to. So these two are constants, same. Now it is t2 by t1 is equal to omega 2 by omega 1 whole squared. Omega 2 is what given? 2 omega by omega 1 already omega whole squared. Get cancel, it is 4 cross multiplication. They given t1 is the t, t2 is equal to 4t. So this is the correct option. Which option correct? Second option correct. Next, question number 13. So they given, consider the following statement A and B and identify the correct answer. Okay. For a solar cell or photo cell, whatever it. So IV characteristics what we get like this. So it is in the fourth quadrant, correct. In a reverse bias PN junction diode, the current measured in microamperes, okay, is due to majority charge carriers. So in PN junction diode, the current measured in microamps is due to minority charge carriers. This is. So they given majority charge carriers. So it is a wrong statement. Which one is correct? A is correct, B is incorrect. Next. Okay, they given a PV curve. Thermodynamic system is taken through the cycle A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, D, A. Okay, this direction. Okay, the work done. Okay, the work done by the gas along the path BC. So, along the path BC, we need work done. Here, we had observed in PV curve. So, this path is what? Isochoric. In isochoric, volume is what? Constant. So there is no work done. That work done is 0. So first option is correct. Next question. Question number 15. A thin spherical shell is charged by some source, whatever it, the potential difference between 2 points C and P. Okay. So here they ask a point, it is VC. Here VP. So we know that what is the potential on the surface inside the spherical shell also same. That means VC is equal to VP. We require to find potential difference. VC minus VP is equal to VC. VP is what? VC. That equal to 0. So potential difference between these 2 points is 0. What is next? The moment of inertia of a thin rod about an axis passing through its midpoint perpendicular to the rod is 2400 grams centimeter square. The length of the 400 gram rod is nearly. Okay. Let's see. They given moment of inertia I value. What is moment of inertia of thin rod? Moment of inertia of thin rod is what? I is equal to ml square by 12. ml square by 12. We need L. They ask what is, they ask, sorry, the length of the rod, 400 gram. Okay. So length, it is a cross multiplication, m comes to denominator. What do we have? L squared is equal to 12I by m. L squared equal to 12 into how much this value given? 2400 by this given 400. 20 cancel, ones 6 12 6 72. L square is equal to 72. So what is the L is equal to root 72. Root 72 means 8 8 8 squared 64, 9 squared 81. So approximately it is between this value, L value is 72 value is between 8 and 9. So let us see which option we have. Okay, see 8.5 centimeter. What we have? A particle moving with the speed in a circular path maintenance. So constant velocity, constant acceleration, constant velocity, but varying acceleration, varying velocity and varying acceleration. Let us see this question. It is a conceptual question, but somewhat confusing. Here we have it is circular motion. We consider any point, whatever. So actually there is no force acting upon the particle. It is moving along the tangential direction. That is here V bar. And acceleration is acting towards the center. So here both have changing the directions, whatever magnitude. So varying velocity and varying acceleration. So both at every instant they change their velocity and also acceleration directions. So varying velocity and varying acceleration is the correct answer. So next, so lengthy, whatever it. If c is the velocity of light in free space, the correct statement about the photon among the following are about photon. Okay, photon energy is E equal to h nu, correct? And photon is moving with velocity of light c, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. And momentum of proton, already we know that formula P is equal to h. How you get this? It is P is equal to h by lambda. H by, so lambda is what? We know that V is equal to nu lambda. Now lambda means what? V. It is the velocity of photon, no? C. C by nu. Here C, here nu. P equal to hc by h nu by c. Okay, correct. It is also correct. Next, in a photon electron collision, both energy and total momentum are conserved. Why? Because it is a photon electron collision is the elastic collision or head-on collision. So that both energy and momentum both are conserved. It is also correct. And photon possesses positive charge. So it is wrong. So what option we have? 1, A, B, C, D. So option number 2. At any instant of time, displacement S is equal to 2t minus 1 given, and force given. They ask instantaneous power. So power formula is what? F into V. So differentiate, what we get? Velocity is equal to 2 into 1, 2. meter per second. Then force given, how much? 5 Newton. Then P is equal to, what is formula? F into V. 5 into 2, that equal to 10 watts. Whatever. Question number 1. Next see, they given light entering, and here angle is the 30 degrees, and they ask refractive index of the prism. Okay, and whatever prism at point P with the angle of incidence 30 degrees as shown in figure, it travels through the prism parallel to its base. It is parallel to its base. Okay, BC, and emerges along the face AC. Along the face AC. They given a right angle prism. Right prism they given. Here 90 degrees. Say here theta. You assume. Here what we have? 90 minus theta. Here theta means both are parallel. Here theta. Yes. Here also theta. Here how much? 90 minus theta. Both. Okay. Let it is entering AB and emerges at the surface AC. Okay. Let take first, mu sin theta. I take here mu sin theta. Let refractive index be of the prism is, say mu. Mu is the refractive index. We require to find the value. Let here mu sin theta. Mu sin theta is equal to what we have? 1. Then sin theta is equal to what? 1 by mu. 1 by mu. Okay. Let take one right angle triangle. Here theta. Okay. Which side is mu? It is mu. Opposite side, it is 1. What is this? Mu square minus 1. Now apply Snell's law for this. Snell's law. What we have? Sin 30. Sin 30. Sin I. Sin 30 degrees by, what is here we have? Here angle 90 minus theta. Refracted ray makes an angle 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to mu. So it is 1 by 2 is equal to mu into sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Cross multiplication. From this, what is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Half is equal to mu into root mu squared minus 1 by mu. So both are get cancelled. Squaring on both sides, 1 by 4 equal to mu squared minus 1. Send that side, 1 by 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Mu squared is equal to 5 by 4. Mu is equal to root 5 by root 4 is 2. See what we required? Option 2 is the correct. So next, following circuit, the equivalent capacitance between the terminals A and B. Okay. See, it is a Wheatstone bridge. It is P, Q or S. P by Q is equal to 2 by 2, 1. R by S is equal to 2 by 2, 1. That means there is no current passing through this branch, in this branch. That time these two are series, these two are series and then parallel. Okay. So whatever it, all are equal means that is only the resultant, 2 microfarads only. Let me see. First circuit, no, two series. Two series means what? CS, C by N formula. C is how much? 2 by 2, that equal to 1. It is also 1. Yes, again 1 parallel, that is the CS1 in the CS2, it is also 1. Then Cp equal to 1 plus 1, that equal to 2 microfarads. So Wheatstone bridge, this two series, this series, again it is parallel, we get. Which option is correct? First option is correct. Next, the quantities which have the dimensions as those of solid angle or those of solid angle. So it is you see, it is a dimensionless. Here strain and angle and strain is what? Strain is change in dimension, change in size by original size. So both are cancelled, and angle also. So it is the correct answer. Let me see. Stress and angle. So stress have dimension formula. Stress is what? Force by area. Stress. We have dimensions. Stress and angle. Strain and arc. So it is a arc. Arc is what? A length. It has dimension. Angular speed and thrust both have direction. So strain and angle is the correct answer. Next, the maximum elongation of a steel wire of 1 meter length, if the elastic limit given means elastic limit, okay, of steel and its Young's modulus respectively are. So this is elastic limit, this is Young's, it is Y, it is stress. Elastic limit means stress. Elastic limit means stress. Okay. Now we require to find the elongation. That is nothing but delta L. So Y is equal to what? Stress by strain. Y is equal to, I can take stress as S. Strain is delta L by L. Change in length by original length. L comes to numerator, delta L goes there, Y comes to denominator. What we get? Delta L is equal to S by YL. That's all. What given? 8 into 10 power 8 8 into what length given? 1 meter. By what Y given? 2 into 10 power 11. 2 into 10 power 11. 1 0 4 0. That equal to 4 8 minus 11 minus 3, 4 millimeter. So they given, so two solenoids, solenoid 1, solenoid 2, and one magnet is placed between this. What is? Strong bar magnet is moving towards solenoid 2, this direction. Okay. From solenoid 1, the direction of the induced current in solenoid 1 and that in solenoid 2 respectively are through the directions. Okay. We need the direction. See, it is moving this side. Moving this side means here same pole created. Then it move solenoid 2 to 1. Here it must be attracts. That's what here same pole, here same pole. See, yes. Yes, south pole gives what is a clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. So in this see clockwise direction is what? Here no, from starting here. So A to B. Like that we have to see. Here, like that we have to see. Then from here, so it is a okay. That is a C to D, D to C. Here also south pole. Here A to B, here D to C. So first option correct. Next, the mass of a planet 1/10 that of the earth, and its diameter is half of the earth. The acceleration due to gravity on the planet is, let take acceleration due to gravity on earth, gg equal to what is formula, gm by r square. Now planet, what is the g, mass 1 by 10th, m by 10 by diameter, nothing but a radius, whatever it is, half r by 2 whole square. Then what you get here, see, gm by r square, it is 1 by 10, it is 4 by 10 gm by r square, 4 by 10 into gm by r square. On earth, what is the value? 9.8. So they given g means we kept, but all numericals given 9.8. It is a 0.84 32, 39. S 3.92. Divided by 10, 0. It is divided by 10, 0.98. Then we get 3.92 meter per second square. Next, match list 1 with list 2. Okay. So they given spectral lines of hydrogen for transitions from and wavelength they ask. Okay. You know, first one. Okay. Second excited state to first excited state. N2 is equal to 3 to N1 equal to 2. What is formula for wave number? 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Okay, we need a wavelength. So after finding, invert it, you get 1 by lambda is equal to R value how much? 1.0967 into 10 power 7, like that. It is 1 by 2 square 4 minus 1 by 3 square 9. Then you can solve this one and invert it, you get this value 656. Lambda is equal to 656.3 as nanometers you get. So for A, third option. Now see, A second, third, fourth, 1. So only one chance we have. That is A is a third option. Actually, for less frequency is somewhat 656 more. Next, what we have? Next highest value is what? 486. This is for B. It is B, it is A. Next, which one is greater? This one. It is C, it is D. Let's see. A3, B, B4, C2, D1. So this answer is correct. Let's see next. Unpolarized light beam strikes surface at a brevest's angle, then actually so here reflection takes place, here refraction takes place. Here we have completely in reflection, what is the reflected ray, the reflected light will be completely polarized. In reflection, completely polarized, and in refraction partially polarized. So at brevest's angle, what we have? the reflected light is completely, reflected light will be completely polarized. This is refracted light is partially polarized, correct? Refracted light will be partially polarized. Option number 4. Next, match the following. They given list 1: diamagnetic, ferromagnetic, paramagnetic, non-magnetic. Okay, so they ask chi is what? Magnetic susceptibility. Magnetic susceptibility. Magnetic susceptibility for diamagnetic is negative. Paramagnetic is positive, small. Ferromagnetic is large and positive. So this is the conclusion. See now, diamagnetic. See, chi, it is a less than or equal to -1. So it is 2. A. B. Ferromagnetic, far greater than, it is 3. Paramagnetic lies between, chi is lies between 0 to epsilon. It is C is 4. Then non-magnetic, for non-magnetic material there is no magnetic moment, and also the magnetic susceptibility is 0 for this one. Let's see which option. A2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. So option A is correct. What is next? Two bodies A and B of same mass undergo completely inelastic one-dimensional collision. The body A moves with velocity v1 while body B is at rest before the collision. Okay. The velocity of the system after collision is v2, the ratio. So here they given inelastic collision. So a body is there, it is moving with the same mass, velocity v1. Another body is there, it velocity is 0. It is say u1 is equal to v1, u2 equal to 0. It is also m. Okay. Then they collide to each other, m. That time mass is 2m. They are traveling with velocity v2. So what is nothing but this is a inelastic collision. In inelastic collision, what we have? m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 plus m2 into v. They are traveling with a common velocity, stick to each other. In inelastic collision, they are stick to each other and traveling with same velocity. Now it is m1 v1, it is 0, left it. It is a 2m into v. It is not m1, m. Then it is v2, they given here v2. Then take here v1 by v2 is equal to 2 by 1. So 2:1 is the correct answer. Question number 30. They given here alpha decay. Alpha decay means it is a -4 -2. What we get? 286, here 80. Okay, here positron, no need. Here beta means +1 again, add. Then finally what we get? 286, here 80 plus 1, 81. That's all. 286, 81. Fourth option is correct. So for alpha decay, atomic number reduces by 2 units and mass number reduces by 4 units. Then 90, 86, 82, 80. And here beta decay means atomic number increased by 1 and mass number remains same. So that 286 as it is and 80 plus 1, 81. Now fourth option is correct. They given simply x is equal to 5 sin pi t plus pi by 3 meter. It is a very important unit, meter. Represents the motion of a particle executing simple harmonic motion. Okay, they ask amplitude and time period. Directly we know this is the amplitude A and this is the omega. Then A amplitude is equal to 5 see meter and omega is equal to what? Formula 2 pi by T. Then omega is how much here? Pi is equal to 2 pi by T. So T pi cancel, cross multiplication, T is equal to 2 second. See, amplitude 5 meter 2 second, 5 centimeter 2 second wrong, 5 meter 2 second correct. Here also 5 centimeter given. So meter is the correct and 2 seconds correct. Next, a thin flat circular disc of radius 4.5 centimeter is placed gently over the surface of water. Okay, it is a disc, it is water, whatever it is. That means, so what is upon this length force is acting. Okay, surface tension of water given, then the excess force required to take it away from the surface. Excess force. You know T is equal to force by length. Force equal to what? T into L. They are given circular disc. Circular disc length is what? 2 pi r. Then T into 2 pi r. Then substitute the values you get. Very simple. Okay, that is 0.07 surface tension and radius you substitute 0.07 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.5 into 10 power minus 2. That's all. Substitute what you get, it is a 7, 0.01, 44, approximately 19.8 you get. It is 10 power minus 2 here, okay, millinewton you get, calculate it. They given logic gate. Here A, it is a not, A bar. Here also not, it is NAND NOR. It is B bar. Then again it is what? OR gate. Then here A bar plus B bar. Again here what? NOR. It is OR, it is NOR. What you get? Y is equal to A bar plus B bar whole bar is equal to A bar again bar. This plus what you have into B, De Morgan laws. Then two bars cancel, A dot B. A dot B is nothing but AND gate. Next, question number 34. What they given here, the potential at any axial point, the potential at any axial point, dipole moment vector P of magnitude given. It is a P value given. Okay. So, E is 9 into 10 power 3 volt. So, what is the general formula for V is equal to Kp cos theta by R square. So, here theta is equal to 0 degrees. Why? Here they given axial line, axial point, 2 meter distance. So, axial point means theta 0 degrees. Then K is already we know 9 into 10 power 9 into P value given. What is 4 into 10 power 6 minus 6. 4 into 10 power minus 6 by R square. They got 2 meter means take 4. If 4 get cancelled. What you get? 9 into 10 power 3. Yes, 9 minus 6 3. 9 into 10 power minus plus 3 plus 3 volt. Okay, we get the correct answer here. Plus or minus. Why we take here plus or minus? So whatever we consider the charges, negative charge, positive charge, or negative, negative, positive, positive, like that. So plus or minus. So it is a correct option we have. In this region, you see V is plus or minus Kp by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. Here 2 is given, so it is wrong. So which one is the correct? A is true and B is false. So option number 3. Next question. Okay. See logic question. A wheel of a bullock cart is rolling. It is rolling with a speed V. If its speed V in the direction shown, one of the following option is correct. P and Q are highest and lowest points. Whatever it, highest and lowest points. Here see the translational velocity, it is V, moving with V. It is this side. So rotational R omega, this side. What we have? V minus R omega here. Here V is this direction at highest point R omega. Then here V plus R omega, which is the highest at P. Highest point P moves faster than the point Q. That is here V velocity, here 2V velocity. So which option? Second option correct. Next, a parallel plate capacitor is charged by connecting it to a battery. When capacitor, parallel plate capacitor is charging, now here V, it is current I. Here displacement current we have between the plates. Again it is I. Here what is formula for us? Displacement current ID is equal to epsilon naught d phi E by dt. Here the change in flux is directly proportional to the displacement current. Here displacement current. Now this displacement current is flows as a current I. So there is no change. What is the displacement? There is no current, wrong. The displacement current of magnitude equal to I flows in the same direction. So here whatever displacement current is equal to magnitude of the current and flows same direction. So next question. The property which is not of an electromagnetic wave traveling in the space is that. Here see first one, property of electromagnetic wave. There are transverse in nature. Correct. The energy density in electric field is equal to the energy density in magnetic field. Same. Next, they travel with a speed of equal to, it is what? C. Velocity of a light, 1 by square root of mu naught epsilon naught. It is also correct. They originate from charges moving with uniform speed. So, uniform speed means velocity is a constant. Velocity constant means acceleration is 0. But accelerated charges produces the electromagnetic waves. Charge is at rest, only electric field. Charge is in motion with constant velocity, both magnetic field and electric field. When charge is accelerated, so electric field, magnetic field and also electromagnetic radiation, so that this option is wrong. Okay, this is the, which is not fourth option. A small telescope has objective of focal length. So objective f naught given. F naught how much given? 140 okay, centimeter. And what given? Eyepiece given. How much? 4. Fe 4 5 centimeter given. They ask magnifying power. M is equal to f naught by Fe. Cancel it. What you get? 5 1 jar, 5 2 jar, 5 2 jar 10, 5 8 jar. So 28 is the correct answer. See next question. Two heaters A and B have power rating of 1 kilowatt and 2 kilowatt respectively. Those two are first connected in series, then parallel to a fixed source. The ratio they ask. Okay, in power, first series connection. Okay, series is what? We have P1 into P2 by P1 plus P2. This is formula. 1 into 2 by 3 kilowatt. Then parallel means what is 1 plus 2? P1 plus P2. P1 plus P2, that equal to 1 plus 2, 3 kilowatt. Now they ask what is the parallel. PS by PP. It is a 2 by 3. It is by into 1 by 3, that equal to 2 by 9 is the correct answer. Let's see. Next question. They given time versus volume. See, these dotted lines represents the pressures, that is the P1, P2, P3. So we have gas equation. What is the PV is equal to nRT. Yes. Then T is equal to what? P by nR into V. Now T is proportional to V. Okay. Now this is, see, we can observe here, this has a more slope compared to this. This has more slope compared to this. So here P1 is greater than, P2 is greater than P3. Which option? P1 is greater than P3, P2. Fourth option is correct. The velocity V, time flat of the motion of a body is shown below. Okay. So here velocity time graph given. They ask acceleration time graph they ask. Let's see. First we start from 0, then slowly increasing, again constant. Where we have no. So it is also no. Now see, it is 0. Okay. Then constant. Again here what? Negative part. Decreasing. So here this is. So this is the correct answer for AT graph. So here they given a Wheatstone bridge. Choose the correct circuit which can achieve the bridge balance. So for this we have to see it is a okay. Then diode is there. It is a positive terminal. That means a forward bias. It is conducted. Diode is conducted. Then okay. Circuit is clear. Here see, it is in a reverse bias. See diode like this, reverse bias. Okay. Next. Here also, here resistance is connected to diode. It is in a parallel. No chance. Here negative, here positive. So it is a reverse bias. So option 1 is correct. Okay. Next question number 43. If the mass of the bob in a spring pendulum is increased to twice its original mass and its length is made half its original length, then the new time period of oscillation is x by 2 times its original time period. Then the value of x. Okay. Actually time period t is equal to what? 2 pi root L by G. Here mass of the bob, so no need mass here, and length is made half of its original length. Okay. T is equal to T dash 2 pi root L by 2 G. So this is what they ask here. T dash equal to 2 pi root L by G into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. Okay, it is T. They ask T into x by 2. What they ask here? The new time period of oscillation is x by 2 times the original. Original we take T, no? It is also T into 1 by root 2. T get cancelled. Send here. X is equal to 2 by root 2. That equal to root 2 into root 2. 2 can be written as by root 2. Cancel. X is equal to root 2 is the correct answer. The minimum energy required to launch a satellite of mass m from the surface of Earth. Okay. It is satellite. Okay. Satellite of mass m. This mass m. Surface of the Earth of mass capital M with radius r in a circular orbit at an altitude of 2r from the surface of the Earth. Okay, let's take it is a 2r. Now what is the energy? Here energy is nothing but work done. That is in the form of potential energy, that is E2 minus E1 we take. Here we take R1, here R2, 2R. Then E2. We know formula U is equal to minus G capital M small m by R. Then minus G capital M small m by, what is it is we have 2R2 minus of minus first one G capital M small m by R1. Okay. Now we have new. Totally what we have here? Completely R plus 2R. R plus 2R, that is R dash is equal to R2 is equal to 3R. R1 is equal to what? R. Already we know. Minus G capital M small m by 2 into 3R minus into minus plus G capital M small m by R. Now 6R is the LCM. Here minus G capital M small m plus, here RR cancel, 6 into G capital M small m. You know it is a 6G. It is a 6G capital M small m minus 1. So that 5G capital M small m by 6R. Which is the correct option? 5G capital M small m. 5G, okay, capital M small m. So first option is correct. Next question number 45. A sheet is placed on a horizontal surface in the front of strong magnetic pole A. A force is needed to. A force is needed. A sheet is placed on a horizontal surface in front of a strong magnetic pole. A sheet is placed between strong magnetic field, whatever. So magnetic lines of force passing through it, whatever it. Hold the sheet there if it is magnetic. Yes. If it is magnetic substance, that time the force, a force is acting. Correct, first one. It is a non-magnetic, wrong. Move the sheet away from the pole. Move the sheet away from the pole. Uniform velocity if it is conducting. If it is conducting. So it is a non-conducting. Wrong. non-conducting. So A and C are correct. Where is second option correct? Let's see. So 10 microfarad connected to 210 volt. So RMS, VRMS given. VRMS. 50 Hz frequency given. It is frequency given. C given in the figure. The peak current in the circuit. We require to find I naught peak current. See, we have V is equal to IR. You take V naught is equal to I naught into, it is a pure capacitive. Okay, I naught into XC. V naught is equal to I naught. XC means 1 by omega C. I naught we need I naught we need. Okay, I naught is equal to, you write V naught into omega can be written as 2 pi f C. Now V naught is what? We have VRMS is equal to V naught by root 2. V naught is equal to what? Root 2 VRMS. Root 2 VRMS is 210. Okay. 210 root 2 into 2 into pi is take 22 by 7 into f is 50 into C is 10 into 10 power 6 minus 6 microfarads. So you have to calculate this, what you get, 0.93 amps you get. Next question. A metallic bar of Young's modulus and coefficient of Young's modulus Y given, coefficient of linear expansion, thermal expansion alpha given, length L is given, area of cross section A given, and heated from, that means delta theta given. See, compressive force developed, they ask compressive force F is equal to YA alpha into delta theta. So this is the formula for thermal. So by L we take it is a thermal stress, that is compressive force. So by L this is Y how much given and A given, and it is 100 minus 0 degrees. So you have to substitute in this formula, you get 50 into 10 cube Newton. Next, an iron bar of magnetic length L, okay, it is bent and angle is 60 degrees. Let's see. Here 60 degrees. Total length L, it is L by 2, it is L by 2. Okay. What is the magnetic moment? It is M dash is equal to, it's take is like this cut. Here length is L by 2, but magnetic moment is magnetic pole strength is same. So that M L by 2 that equal to M by 2. M by 2 is the answer, correct answer. Whatever, question number 49. See, if the planets of a if the plates of a parallel plate capacitor connected to a battery. Okay, so when parallel plate capacitor is connected to battery, okay, V current I, charge Q flows through it, its capacitance C. What is the mode? Close to each other, then the charge stored in it increases. So when we apply Q is proportional to V, so automatically increases. Next, energy stored in it decreases. Wrong. Why? U is equal to half CV square. Half CV square. When battery connected, potential given, energy increases, and that is wrong. Second, next, its capacitance increases. Okay, so Q is equal to CV. Capacitance increases. Next, the ratio of charge to potential remains the same. It is also wrong. The product of charge and voltage increases. Product of charge and voltage increases. So, ACE is the correct answer. So the last question. The force defined P is F is equal to alpha T squared plus beta T. So from the principle of homogeneity in the first chapter, units and dimensions, F is equal to alpha T square is equal to beta T. Then individually separated. Alpha is equal to what you get? F by T square. F is what? M1 L1 T minus 2 by T2. Which comes to numerator M1 L1 T minus 2, again T minus 2, T minus 4, what we get. Next, beta you find out. What is F? M1 L1 T minus 2 by, sorry, here only T is there, not T square. Sorry. By T1. What you get? T minus 2, T minus 1. M1 L1 T minus 3. See, what do you understand here? We need a dimensionless. So what is the option we have? See, the minus 4 is there. We can take multiply by 1t, it is a t minus 3, same value we get. That means what? Alpha t by beta. Alpha t is what we get? T minus 3, M1 L1 T minus 3. Beta also how much? This both are get cancelled. What we get? A dimensionless quantity. Okay, students. Thank you.